Many job seekers, the reason why people don't see them is because they position themselves too broadly. They are not focused. They don't write for anyone. They write for everybody, and they end up reaching no one.
A lot of people that I've observed, they're like, hey, I got this job. I'm here for 5 to 10 years. In the early days, what used to happen, there used to be the 4 and 40 approach, right? What that meant is like, let's go to college for 4 years, then get a job. And then for the next 40 years, you got to be in that job. And then you got to end up with a gold watch when you retire.
The essence of this bootcamp is to help you create visibility. Your experience is still important. So visibility gets you noticed, but experience gets you the job.
I don't think either Tom Hanks or Oprah would go any place with a resume, right? Do you think? No, right? Everybody knows people are chasing them down. Hey, do this gig, do that gig for me. Can you do, be my sponsor, do this. Every time a new technology or tool comes, right? Some people don't know how to use it. And that's the reason I kind of use this example is with AI, right? A lot of people, if we use AI just the way you kind of use the axe and hacking away the tree, it's really not going to help.
The actors, their work is their movies, but as job seekers, our work is the content we post. When we keep posting them, that's what gives us visibility.
Once you start creating content, people will know that you exist, right? Right now, most people don't even know that you're looking for work and things like that. So what I mean by that is that when you start networking and when you start reaching the people, setting up the virtual coffee, you'd be like, hey, can I set up a 15-minute coffee with you? If you never created content before, you would not even get a response. However, when you have content, that when people see, oh, I trust this person, let me set up a 15-minute virtual coffee.
If you are going through someone's post and you see today the person is speaking to A, tomorrow the person is speaking to B, the next day the person is speaking to C, are you going to hire the person? The person is not focused. Structure organizes your idea in a way that makes your message clear and memorable. Now think about it this way. Busy decision makers skim before they read deeply. A structured post helps them see your value in seconds. Clear structure is equals to credibility. Without structure, your post is not credible.
Layoffs are not a thing of the past. It's real. This is something, layoffs is not a matter of if, it's more of a matter of when it's going to happen, right? That's why we want to equip you with all the tools you need. Okay, you have to take competition and excel and thrive at whatever you choose. But there's this path or that path, right? Whatever the market needs, right? That's what you're hoping to equip you with. And,